Good morning, overlanders. I just wanted to chat with you guys about my coffee kit while we're here in this lovely beach environment. You may hear the waves crashing in the background as I'm talking. So I have this coffee kit that I've been using for probably 10 years, maybe longer, and it's never let me down. I've upgraded it over the years, but it's incredibly simple, it's lightweight, and it's cost effective. It starts with a Jetboil. This thing is fantastic. This is the second one I've had in 10 years. This is the Minimo. You can see it's a bit wider and it holds, I think, 1.5 liters capacity. I fill it up halfway and that gets me enough coffee for 2 cups usually when I use the Aeropress. The Aeropress is a really lightweight, efficient way of using your coffee grounds. It's made out of plastic, which is the one thing I don't love about it, but because it's plastic, it's durable. And then what you do is you just spin this bottom piece off, you put in a little paper filter, fill up about maybe an inch or so of coffee grounds, and then this is a plunger, and what you do is you just pop this right on top of your mug, fill it up with hot water from the kettle, and then let it steep for a bit, and then plunge this down. It still has some coffee grounds in it from my first cup that I'm still enjoying, so I won't show you how that works exactly, but those 2 items plus a coffee mug and then a little pouch with the coffee grounds. I like to have some extra filters, a packet of those, and then I keep my big long spoon up in this one as well. The spoon is crucial for digging into freeze-dried meals. So this is the Sea to Summit extra long aluminum spoon. A regular size spoon is probably about that big, and if you try and dig into Mountain House, or what they have here are these backcountry cuisines, then you start to get your fingers a little bit dirty. So I also keep a couple of these in here, and this kit lives in my car, my vehicle, all times. I never take it out unless I'm upgrading it or changing something, but it goes back into the car. And it all lives in this nice, tidy little zipper bag that I got from Drifta. But the idea behind that is that there's always a coffee kit with some food in the car at all times. I keep 3 or 4 of those freeze-dried meals and a way to heat water with the Minimo Jetboil. And that just kind of has like a little permanency to it, because I like to sometimes stop on a drive and have a meal and a cup of coffee, or if I were to potentially break down, I would at least be able to make myself a meal and a cup of coffee while I wait for somebody to come haul me out. So when I'm going on long trips, that just incorporates into all the rest of the stuff. I took it off the box, coffee kit, check. And then it's also my backup food in the event that I eat through my regular rations that I've packed in my pantry and my refrigerator and all that stuff. So let me know what you guys think. Again, with the Aeropress, the Jetboil, really simple, easy to use, durable, and it makes a good cup of coffee consistently every time. I hope you guys are out there having a good time. We'll see you on the next one.